Everyone, silence, please. निकलो बेटा, एग्जाम में इजी हो जाएगा तुम। हाँ जी, परमीत के साथ आ जाओ। Now simple sentence is very easy. Just you have to find out one finite verb, then it is simple. Compound, obviously fanboys, I gave you the list, I think on Saturday also, on Monday, sorry. And complex sentence, all other conjunctions are included in complex sentence. Now I'll give you one exercise. You will identify whether it is simple, compound or complex sentence. Okay. Yes, I know.
Ma'am, you are muted.
Yes, 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 I know. ज्योतिन प्लीज अरमान के साथ बैठ जाओ बेटा इस पीरियड में. जसवीन कम हियर. Now let's discuss the answers. So online students, I'm going to mute myself. Then I'll ask you the same. Now, online students, please tell me. Savya first, Vaibhav second, Shubh third.
Yes,
Silence everyone, please.
ma'am. First is simple sentence.
Okay. Vaibhav second. Is not here. Shubh second one, please. I want silence, please, everyone. Yes, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
Second answer, please. It is simple, compound, or complex.
Ma'am, it is compound.
Beta, which conjunction I have used here?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Ma'am, complex. Complex.
This is complex. Next, Savya again. Last one, beta.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, compound sentence.
Yes, have you noted down all? No? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine. Peter neither attended the classes, not please, after 3 sentences. Peter neither attended the classes. ये आंसर कौन बोल रहा है? Yes, Adgun. Reason? Yes. Madhav. Fifth one along with reason. Exactly. Next, please, Ananya. There are many defaulters in this class. कुछ तो बोलो. मास्क नीचे करो. Jasmine. Jasmine. There are many defaulters in this class. Again, online, please. 1, 2, and 3. Savya, Vaibhav, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, first is compound sentence.
Reason also say. Then Vaibhav.
Ma'am, because neither nor is given.
Yes. When I ask question to Vaibhav, he just disappears. Yes, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 5.
Ma'am, it is complex sentence.
Yes. Shubh, 6th भी बता दो.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, it is
How many verbs are there? Finite verb. Only R is there. Na? So this is
simple.
हो सकता है बेटा. But not in your syllabus. Madhav, please tell me answer. Madhav 2. 7th answer. Compound. This is the conjunction, so it makes it compound. Navjot, next answer. Okay, online please. Savya, Shubh. 8, 9.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
al-
eight,
ma'am,
ma'am,
although
eight
is
complex sentence.
sentence.
Okay, one by one. चलो शुभ आप बता दो एक.
Ma'am, although complex sentence.
Okay, Savya, next one please.
Ma'am, next is also complex sentence.
Yes, last sentence now. Yes, Harmeet, tell me answer. बताओ. बताओ. चलो, tell me please. Karthik. Feel happy. Happy, happy. Happy, happy with it. Now, basically, you will get question identify simple, compound, or complex, or you can get question join the two sentences to make it compound. I am giving you example. Please don't write in fair. वो आपकी बुक में दिया हुआ है, वहां से कर लेना. रखने दो. जैसन, आप दोनों बेंचेस इकट्ठे कैसे हो गए? Who changed the benches? साहिब प्रीत आपकी टीचर है? Mitarthi, please give me yellow card. Devang. Okay. सीट किसने चेंज की? एंड वेयर इज द लाइन मॉनिटर? पारुल. तो कहाँ है बेटा आपकी ड्यूटी, कहाँ पे हो रही परफॉर्म? आपने उसको नहीं बोलना, मैंने आपको 10 बार बोला आपने मेरे पास आना. माय क्वेश्चन इज आप मेरे पास क्यों नहीं आए? गिव मी आंसर ऑफ दैट क्वेश्चन ओनली. तो आई थिंक साहिब प्रीत सबको मिसगाइड कर रहा है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
ये लगा दो डिस्प्ले बोर्ड पे ताकि मैम भी आते जाते देखें. Now go back to your benches, please. Both of you. Anjip, sir, please tell me.
He is punished for his spoke.
Okay. He is punished for he spoke rudely. Okay. Don't use because that will become complex sentence. बेटा वो कॉम्प्लेक्स बन जाएगा. Now raise your hand. Everything is clear to you or not? Please raise your hand. Clear, everyone? Sab kuch? Should I take your quiz? He is not audible. उसके आवाज नहीं आ रही. वो अपने वापस जगह पे गई है. ये कौन बोला था अभी? क्या हुआ जैसन? Okay, first question please. अगमजोत keep quiet. कम से कम बोल के -5 मत कराओ अपनी टीम के. 5 sorry. गुरनूर. This is the house, please beta. This is the house where I used to live in. Sentence बताओ बेटा कौन सा? Simple, compound or complex? Yes. Next please. रवजोत छुपने का फायदा नहीं है बेटा. मितार्थी. Should I start now or should I start later? Should I start now or should I postpone this thing? Type of sentence, and only 3 seconds will be given, please. Yes. This line. Samriddhi. This is the flower which I gave you yesterday. Arman. She lives far away, so she is always late. She lives far away, so she is always late. 5 seconds only. So she is always late. Time up. Okay. This line. Sonam. I cleaned my room. Bas beta, please. I cleaned my room and I made my bed also. No. Okay, this line. Parul. You will be fine if you will spit on the road. You will be fined if you will spit on the road. Nobody will give hint, please. बेटा मैंने if बोला वो फैन बॉयज में आता है, फैन बॉयज में आता है ना. So this is complex. This is complex. Complex. Go receive. Teacher gave us marks, but she didn't give us answer sheets. Okay, Parth. Rajat, stop it, please, Madhav. Rajat went for walk after he finished his food. चलो अब ऑनलाइन से भी पूछते हैं. सव्या.
Yes, ma'am.
Savya, my question is, I don't want to go to dentist. I don't want to go to dentist because I'm afraid of dentist.
Ma'am, complex sentence.
वैभव, आपका माइक ऑप्शन ही नहीं है बेटा. Yes, शुभ.
Yes, ma'am.
Koyal played the sitar while Priya played the flute.
Ma'am, please repeat.
Koyal played sitar while Priya played flute.
Ma'am, complex sentence.
Team C, please. Samarth. She gave me the gift yesterday. She gave me the gift yesterday. कोई बोला है बेटा? Answer. Time up. This line. Simple sentence. बाकी टीम्स कितनी खुश है? Jyotin. He was very, bas beta please. He was very sad when he failed the exam. अब क्या टोटल करना है? सारे इक्वल है. मेरे सेंटेंस खत्म हो गए बेटा यार से. चलो ओके. मेरी चॉइस के स्टूडेंट. ओके चलो सेंटेंस फ्रॉम माय साइड. तन्वी. Although he is rich, he is greedy. Although he is rich, he is greedy. Okay. Saipreet. She has been living in Jalandhar since 2005. Since 2005. आपको क्या लगता है कौन सा सेंटेंस है? कितने वर्ब है इसमें? प्लीज टेल मी. She has been living in Jalandhar since 2005. वन वर्ब है. कौन सा हुआ ये? कॉम्प्लेक्स में दो. यहाँ पे सिंस प्रेपोजिशन है, कंजंक्शन नहीं है. अगर दो वर्ब हो, एक से ज्यादा वर्ब हो तो कॉम्प्लेक्स है. एक से ज्यादा. ये मैं क्लियर करती हूँ. Online students, I'll tell you the result tomorrow which team won. Okay. Bye.